Jocelyn Mully, Managing Director at K.I.T Group. We've had an explosion of virtual conferences back in 2020, and many ministries of finance have revisited their tax regulations, both for virtual and hybrid events since then. It is extremely complicated to navigate through the different rules. There is a common European understanding on sales tax for educational conferences, but national tax departments may decide to apply different rules. There is a maze of criteria to follow: the host destination, the country of residence of the online attendee, the purpose and content of the event, etc. We have identified one solid sales tax solution at K.I.T Group Switzerland and would be happy to share the concept with you. Rules continue to change, but I see it as our PCO role to advise our clients on sales tax impact during our destination SWOT analysis. The organization of hybrid conferences has lots of pitfalls, but we are here to help. So please let us keep in touch.